Hi Google team, this particular video is for the Google Calendar OAuth consent, right? Our website is lawyerservices.in. Lawyer Services is basically a software for legal professionals. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and click on login here. I have to put in my username and password. Basically, we provide login access only to paid members. So I'll go ahead and click login for this particular video. Lawyer Services is basically a comprehensive system with a lot of different features in it. One of the features that is there is the case manager, where once a particular client adds cases into the system, right? For example, this particular case, it's automatically getting a lot of date as well as next dates, right? From the respective court websites, as well as a lot of other information in there. The same information is also visible in our software in our calendar view. So if I click on schedule calendar, you'll see a lot of different case dates mentioned over there. As soon as we show a lot of people this, the first question that they ask is, can this information show up on the Google Calendar? Because obviously a lot of people love using the Google Calendar. So for that same reason, we are working on this whole sync between our software and Google Calendar. So just to show you how they would normally proceed with the whole settings, they would go into management. The first option, preferences and settings. Right over there, we have an option where they could choose to sync with Google Calendar if they would like to. So I'll just click sign in with Google. The next thing they would do is they would use their Google account. As you can see, it's very clearly mentions that to continue with lawyerservices.in. Hoping that this goes away soon as you'll approve the particular video. And go ahead to advanced and say go to lawyerservices.in. As you can see, it's already asking again, once again, lawyerservices.in is clearly mentioned and all the different permissions that are required. I'll go ahead and click on allow. There you go. And pretty much the sync is done, right? And the authentication is successful. So what the next thing that they do is when they go into their Google Calendar, right? So again, I'll show my example. You can see all the different dates that have come in. So it helps them in planning and a lot of other things. Please note one thing is that what we are trying to do is we are only pushing data into their calendar and not pulling any information. So as you can see, nothing else has come here except all the data that's there. So that's pretty much it about the Google Calendar consent. Please let us know if something else is required.